giggly too.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Mommy's cooking happily. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Daddy reads his book again. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Brother rides his bicycle too. V, W, X, Y, Z. Sister sings along with me. Come on family, clap and cheer. Learning letters brings us near.